5 habits that are keeping you poor. Did you know that the difference between the person struggling to pay rent and the millionaire next door often has nothing to do with their salary and everything to do with what they do after they get paid? Most people think they have an income problem, but the truth is they have a habit problem. You could hand $1 million to someone with poor habits, and they'd be broke within a year. But take everything away from a person with a wealthy mindset, and they'll build it all back in no time. Today, we are stripping away the excuses. We are looking at the 5 specific habits that are acting like a leak in your financial bucket. If you don't plug these holes, no matter how much water you pour in, you'll always be empty. Before we break down these poverty traps, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, and join our community of people dedicated to mastering their mindset and their money. And if you're ready to change your financial future, smash that like button right now. Let's get to work. Habit 1. Trading time for comfort, not assets. The first habit keeping you stuck is what I call the comfort trap. Most people work 40 hours a week just so they can afford to do nothing on the weekend. They spend their paycheck on things that lose value the second they leave the store. Designer clothes, the latest phone, or expensive nights out just to impress people they don't even like. Wealthy people don't work for comfort. They work for freedom. They take their extra cash and buy assets, things that put money back into their pockets while they sleep. If your money only flows out and never flows back in, you aren't building a life. You're just paying for a cage. You have to stop being a consumer and start being an investor. Every dollar you spend on a want today is a soldier you've sent away that could have been fighting for your freedom tomorrow. Habit 2. The Sunday procrastination. I'll start saving when I get a raise. I'll start that business when the kids are older. I'll learn about investing next year. This is the language of poverty. Procrastination is the most expensive habit you can have. Why? Because of the power of compound interest. Time is the only thing you can never get back. And in the world of money, time is a multiplier. Waiting for the perfect time is a myth. The perfect time is a lie your brain tells you to keep you safe and stagnant. The poor wait for permission, while the wealthy take action despite the fear. If you keep saying someday, your bank account will always show 0. Start with what you have, where you are right now. Even if it's just $10 or 30 minutes of learning a day. Break the habit of waiting, or you'll spend your whole life in the waiting room of success. Habit 3. Surrounding yourself with broken mindsets. You've heard it before. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your inner circle consists of people who complain about the economy, gossip about celebrities, and wait for the lottery to save them, guess what? That's going to be your reality too. Poverty is contagious, not because of the money, but because of the mentality. If your friends think that money is the root of all evil, or that rich people are just lucky, they will subconsciously pull you down every time you try to climb up. You need to find a circle that talks about ideas, investments, and growth. If you are the smartest and most ambitious person in your room, you are in the wrong room. It's time to upgrade your environment. Habit 4. emotional, and impulse spending. We live in a world designed to make you poor. Every ad on your phone is a psychological attack on your bank account. The fourth habit is letting your emotions drive your spending. Had a bad day at work? You deserve a treat. Feeling bored? Let's go window shopping. This is impulsive behavior, and it's a direct path to the bottom. Rich people buy toys last. POO are people buy them first. When you buy something on impulse, you aren't just losing the money. You're losing the discipline required to build wealth. Before you buy anything that isn't a necessity, wait 48 hours. Usually, the emotion fades, and you'll realize you didn't need it in the first place. Master your emotions, or your emotions will bankrupt you. Habit 5. Avoiding financial education. The final and most dangerous habit is the belief that you don't need to know about money. Most people spend 16 years in school learning how to work for a paycheck, but not a single hour learning how to make that paycheck work. For them, they hand their money over to banks or experts without understanding where it's going. If you don't understand how taxes work, how inflation eats your savings, or how the stock market functions, you are playing a game where you don't know the rules. And in that game, the person who knows the rules always wins. Poverty thrives on ignorance. Wealth is built on knowledge. Make it a habit to read, to watch educational content, and to understand the mechanics of money. The best investment you will ever make is the one you make between your ears. Breaking these 5 habits isn't going to be easy. It requires you to look in the mirror and admit that you've been standing in your own way. But the moment you take responsibility is the moment you take control. You have the power to change your trajectory starting today. If this message hit home, make sure you share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the mindset of success. And I want to hear from you which of these habits is your biggest struggle. Let me know in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Success isn't something that happens to you. It's something you create through the habits you keep. Stop being a victim of your routine and start being the architect of your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.